Hey, fellow traders, Black Coffee Trader coming to you on a, what is today? Wednesday. Yep, last day of July 31st. And we broke the green run. We had a red day today. My 150K account, I had a couple of tough trades and ended up in the red on that account. Managed to be green on the other three. So I'm quite happy with that. I did, for some reason today was a little bit of a tougher day for me. The reason being I deviated a little bit from my typical levels trading. I traded some in other areas and I really tried to trade this initial balance high, this green line, and it worked to some degree, but then also had some losing trades. So this was just one of those days. And I think the big lesson for me is I'm not that disappointed because I am minimizing my losses. I'm adhering to a tighter daily loss limit, and I'm not allowing myself to trade past that, and it just keeps these losses from being a big red day, and that is quite helpful. So I mean, yeah, we're back to break even on the 150K, but that's fine. We've got all kinds of time since it's a lifetime account. In fact, they're all lifetime accounts except for this original 155. So that is the only one that I have a recurring monthly fee, and we're building back up on that one. Again, trading micros on the 50Ks and trading minis on the 150. I'm going to walk through the trades really quickly. One of the things I noticed in kind of the after the session here today, just in looking at this, if you look at it, this bigger picture, look at how we came up in the overnight in the morning hours, and once we reclaimed this 380 level, this to me is really a signal that this thing is really going along. And I'm actually quite curious to see if we don't continue with further upside tomorrow, because this was a pretty major level in my opinion. And once we came up and held that, and just kind of tested it, yeah, we wicked below it a little bit, but we really held that quite strongly. So again, this is just my opinion and I could be dead wrong, but I do find that setting these levels based on, you know, highs and lows of days and frequent support areas, so on and so forth, it does work. And for me, it does anyway. So anyway, that was a key point there. Obviously, I was not trading during this time frame. Matter of fact, I shut down the charts after this ES trade. This was where I hurt myself on the PA, the $150,000 PA. I tried to look for a long off this initial balance high retest, and it fell right through. And I decided, you know what, that's enough. I'm going to stop trading. That was fairly early in the day. It was like 11 o'clock. Was it that trade? I thought it was. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was that trade. And I just said, you know what, I'm done. I'm going to stop trading until the afternoon. And then in the afternoon session, I actually did quite well. In fact, at one point, I think when I stopped trading, I think the accounts were all red except for one. I think maybe the 55 account was green. The rest of them were red. This one here, the one that has been so close to being blown here about a week or so ago, I had like 120 in losses on it and brought it back to profitability. So it feels like a winning day, even though we ended up with a loss of 262. So quite happy with that. On the not so good note, I got kicked in the teeth on these take profit evals, and I have to share this. Yesterday I did trade a little bit, and I only traded these take profit evals. I did not trade the funded accounts. I didn't think I was going to take any trades yesterday, but then I had an opportunity to take a couple trades. I did. And here's the stupid thing. This is really stupid. I had these two accounts up like yesterday. This top account was at 50,000, so I brought it back from the loss I had on Monday. This account, I had it up to 51,000 in so $1,000 in profit. And I decided to continue trading in the right after market close at 4 o'clock yesterday, and gave back all of that money and ended up in the red on both of the accounts. And then today I came back, had another red day. So not very good. I don't know what the deal is with this take profit accounts, but I keep finding ways to screw it up. But yeah, I did go over my limit today. Both of them reached 600, and I decided to take one more trade. Didn't turn out so well. So anyway, lessons to be learned, and I'm about one losing day away on each of these accounts from blowing them. So I have to have a winning day tomorrow to keep these things rolling. So hopefully we can do that. But anyway, that's kind of a wrap there. Let's take a look at TradeZella, how this month ended up. Yes, we ended with a red day, which is not so nice, but again, I feel a lot better. I really, really, truly do. I feel a lot better with the way I'm trading, using micros. I don't know, I'm being more patient, being more diligent. Yeah, today I took some trades I shouldn't have taken, and that's a learning lesson, but overall, I feel quite happy with the last week and a half of the month. So that's a good thing. We didn't have quite as good of a month as last month. So the month of July, because of the middle of the month, we ended up with a loss of 10,000 on the month. But if you notice something, we had a big red move and then kind of made it better all the way through until today. So I just feel like that shows a level of progress. And if you compare that to last month it was just kind of a sideways month. So I like seeing that. I like seeing the improvement there. Let's go back to, let's go to today. Let's look at these win rates. So today, win rate was 53%, a little bit over half the trades were winners, so not as good. And then since we're on this system, if you will, let's take a look at where we're at. So our win percentage is at about 70%, which is still quite good over the last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of trading. So I'm really hopeful that I can stay there and I can keep it there, and we can continue to improve and slowly build upon these accounts. So a reminder on the sales that are going on. So supposedly the Apex sale is ending tonight. We will see. I am probably going to purchase, in fact, I'm sure I'm going to purchase some more accounts, for sure, some 150s. I really like this $40 150 eval. And supposedly that is ending tonight along with the 80% off. So we'll see if they do end that and come out with something new, or if they extend that sale. So that's that. I do believe that the $85 lifetime PA fee, I think that is still going until like August the 15th or something like that. So that is that. And then just a reminder on the take profit. I really, really like this special they have going on right now, where they have a 50% off lifetime, and you get 100% refund on the first payout. So right now, if you buy a take profit eval, it's going to cost you, with code BCT, it's going to cost you $85 for a 50K account. If you pass that account and then you take your first payout, you get that $85 back, which is a really, really good deal in my opinion. So in any case, my code BCT gets you that best deal with both Take Profit and with Apex. So thank you for those of you that use my code. I really do appreciate it. It helps me out, helps support the channel, and helps me to bring these videos to you on a daily basis, which I very much appreciate. So thank you. Also, thanks. We've got some new subscribers. Slowly and surely, we're building upon this channel little by little. But I do appreciate that. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate the support, the comments, and hope you guys had a good day. Hope you guys had a good month, and let's just dive into the month of August and create some wins. Why don't we? So all right, that's a wrap. Best of luck to you tomorrow. Have a great night. We'll try to have an update for you tomorrow afternoon. So long.